all her might, while Parrot tried to hop and fly. Parrot tried to roost too, and landed splat beside a tree. The bunny jumped and gave a cheer, but flapping didn't get her near.